Have you been longing to find that spacious executive bungalow filled with upgrades and in a great location in the south end of Ottawa? Hi, I'm Jeff McGowan, and I'd like to welcome you to 150 Solaris Circle. This exceptional home is spacious, gracious, and full of value. Come on in and have a look. Ordinarily, I wouldn't be sitting out in the backyard in a suit, but you might be as you host a garden party, wedding reception, graduation party. I hope you enjoyed your visit to 150 Solaris Circle. If you're interested in further information or perhaps to book a private showing, please contact me. Thanks again for taking the time to visit. I look forward to hearing from you soon.